This is exercise 14.2, question number 1. The following table shows the ages of patients admitted in a hospital in a year. Okay. In the first column, ages in year is given. In the second column, number of patients are given. Find the mode and mean of the data given above. One more thing they are asking, compare and interpret the two measures of central tendency. It means that we need to find out mean as well as mode, and then finally we'll compare the result. First we'll find out the mode. Let us see. For the mode, only these two columns we need. First we need to find out the modal class. How to find out the modal class? You will see the maximum frequency. So here, out of all these numbers, which number is the maximum one? Correct? Which number is the bigger one? So this number is the bigger one. So this class is called as the modal class, and this frequency we'll call it as F1. Now the frequency of the previous class is this one. This is F0. This one is F2, frequency of the succeeding class. So modal class is 35 to 45. So here we can write down modal class, which is equal to 35 to 45. That's the reason lower limit, which is equal to what? 35 here. And H, which is equal to, that means the class width, 45 minus 35, which is coming as 10. Okay. Now we'll use the formula. Here the formula for the mode. So here mode, which is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 times F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula. This formula you have to memorize. Okay. Now here we'll substitute the values. See here, L is 35 plus F1. F1 is 23. Look at the table here. Minus F0 means what? 21 divided by 2 times F1. That means 2 times 23 minus F0, which is 21, and minus F2 is 14. Right? Into H. Our H is 10. Now see here, which is equal to, from here I'll start, 35 plus 23 minus 21. If you'll see here, we are getting 2. Okay. So 2 and 10. 2 into 10 divided by, here 46 minus 21 and minus 14. It becomes minus 35. So this is minus 35. Here, which is equal to 35 plus 20 by 11. Correct? So here 35 as it is plus 11 ones are 11. Here 0.9 is there. So 11 8s are 88. Correct? Fine. Now it is 1.8. If I will add it, our answer will come as 35, not 35, it is 36. 36.8. Correct? So mode of the data is 36.8 years. Right? Now let us see the mean of the same data. Here I have used the assumed mean method. For that, look at the table. First column as it is, number of patients as it is. We'll find out the class mark. Class mark, it means that what? Class mark equal to upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Right? Or look at the class intervals. Looking at that, easily you can find out the middle value. So 5 to 15, the middlemost value is what? 10 here. For the next column, it is 20, then 30, 40, 50, and here 60. Now we need to choose A. A means what? Assumed mean. Somewhere middle value of this exercise. So middle value may be 30, may be 40. Any one value you will choose as A. So A I am going to take as 30. Now xi minus A. D means deviation. Okay. So here xi minus A. This is our xi. 10 minus 30. It comes as minus 20. Then here 20 minus 30. It comes as minus 10. 30 minus 30 is 0. 40 minus 30 will be 10. This is 20. This is 30. Correct? So now we need to multiply Fi and Di. So 6 into minus 20. So minus 120. 11 into this minus 10. So minus 110. This is 0 here. 23 into 10 is 230. 14 into 20 is 280. And here 150. We need to add these numbers. So addition of this one comes as minus 230. And addition of this one comes as, this is 0, 13 and 3, 16, 6, 1. This one. We need to do the addition. 0, 3, 4. So addition comes as 430. Right? And here total number of patients. How many are there? 6 and 1, 7, 8 and 3, 11, 15 and 5, 20. 2 carry 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total is 80. So here we are going to use the formula for assumed mean. Okay. So assumed mean formula is x bar is equal to A plus sigma Fi Di by sigma Fi. See here, value of A, assumed mean, what we considered 30 plus sigma Fi Di means this value 430 divided by 80. 0, 0 cancelled. 8 ones are and 8 fives are 40. 3 is remaining. Decimal please. So 3 is remaining, that means 8 3s are 24. 6 is remaining. Then 8 7s are 56. 4 is remaining and 8 5s are. Okay. So here we'll add 30 and 5.375. So it comes as 35.375. Correct? This last digit is 5, or we can keep as it is, no problem at all, because this number got fully divided. Okay. Years. So this is the mean age of the data. Now finally what they said, now compare both the answers for the mode as well as for the mean, and then we need to conclude. Correct? So in the mode, what was that mode? It was 36.8. Mode was that, and mean is 35.375. Approximately same. Correct? Now finally we need to conclude. What we'll write down? Maximum number of patients in the hospital are 36.8 years. About the mode, right? Mode, that means maximum number of patients, right? In the hospital are 36.8 years. While on an average, the age of patient admitted to the hospital is 35.375 years. Correct? About the mode, we are using the word as maximum. And about this one, mean, what we are saying? We are saying on an average, the age of the patient is 35.375 years. Correct? I hope all of you understood this sum. Thank you.